Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got Mr. Kimchi Stir-fry noodle bowl version, so this one will be steeped. I've got a pot of boiling water. I've got the noodles, which will drop on in. The spicy, and I had most of this stuff that was loose in the bowl, in that little bowl. But I just knocked it over, so I'm going to drop it all in there, call that good, and do a little bit of submerging for it, and it needs 3.5 minutes, so here we go. So what's new? There's a change in the sitch right now, I'll tell you about. So today is the last day. No. Yesterday was the last day of school for Miles before. Let's see, this is Wednesday, which he usually doesn't have school. Then there's Thursday and Friday, which I'm thinking they're doing conferences. And then all next week is off for Thanksgiving. So we'll be back to going out and doing our big long walks December 2nd. That seems like forever away, but it's okay. Yeah. And of course, the first day that I'm not able to go out, I don't know what you can see, but there's sun actually coming in here. The first sun that's actually come into our apartment in over a week, easily. So that's kind of a bummer. On the other hand, it'd be nice to spend a lot more time with Miles. I think it'll be good. So yeah, had a good chat this morning with my brother Moshe. He's chilling solo style currently, but not for long, hopefully. Hopefully things are all good soon, my brother. If you're wondering, like, wait, what do you mean your brother? You never talked about your brother before. Like, yeah, it's kind of on the down low, but not anymore. I have a brother, and I found out early this year when my wife got me a Ancestry DNA kit, and then this led to that, and this piece led to that piece, and then I'm getting a phone call from a guy who says he's my brother, and everything gets pieced together. Yeah, it's good. He's a cool dude. Nice family, big family. I went from being just me and having a few kids to also having 9 nieces and nephews and 31 great nieces and nephews. How you like that? Yeah. It's a trip. I definitely say it's a real trip. But a good trip. So, yeah. And so now it's all about apartment laps. Got like, I think I've got like 23,000 in right now. There's a debate tonight, and so I ordered all these stickers from all the different candidates over time, and they want your phone number, so I always do it. I'm getting like texts from every single Democratic candidate, and Trump. I'm on their list too. I don't, but yeah, asking for donations. We need to make this special deadline and blah, 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 blah. And we can't do it without you. So please consider sending us money. I don't really do that. Not a lot. The Bullock campaign asked for money. And they said that all they needed was one more person who lived in Kenmore to donate to make their goal. And I was like, okay, I'll do it. They probably just wanted one person in Kenmore to donate. But I did. And I got a nice long thank you email. That's cool. What did I donate? $1. Yeah. Usually, if somebody's sending me a message and they want a donation or something, I'll be like, okay, I'll give you $1 if you send me a sticker. Because there have been a lot of candidates that have done that. I've got a couple from Bernie, a couple from Buttigieg. Who else? I don't know. You know who doesn't send a ton of email is Biden. Next to nothing. But maybe I'm not signed up for that. I don't know. I saved all sorts of emails from the 2016. Got like a folder with like thousands of campaign mail things in it. Kind of weird. And we stir. Time for fun kimchi flavor. I really like kimchi. I think everybody should like kimchi. But unfortunately, that's just not the case. My buddy Matt, I had him open up my jar of kimchi I had in the fridge like 6 years ago. I said, yeah, just put your nose in there and give it a smell. And he ran out of my apartment. Being a little bit dramatic, I think. I think he could hack it. But he was like, no, dude, whoa, whoa. It's like, I like it. Alright, let's give this tangy Mr. Kimchi flavor dry noodle a taste. I like that. Mung bean sprouts. Some beef I sauteed in soy sauce. I was going to do it with the chili crisp, a spicy chili crisp, but I don't know, I baked some chicken with that stuff and it was like, really didn't work. Not in like, it tasted bad, but I wanted like spicy chili crisp flavor oozing out of that chicken. It just didn't happen. Made me sad. And honestly, I don't think chili crisp is really something that would complement kimchi all that much. This has a good flavor. Yummy. I like this stuff because it's sweet and it's got like decent bits of kimchi going on. go. Alright. I'm looking forward. Well, first off, I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving. Everybody keeps talking about what to have, what we're going to cook for Thanksgiving, and it all sounds really good to me. That's a day that I'll let myself cut loose and go a little wild on the calories. I don't mind. Because, you know, you gots to. God, do I really want to use an egg on this? This looks really nice as it is. I'm gonna use the egg with the next one. I don't think the egg is gonna do this thing justice. It looks really nice right now. It's pretty. Drop some spring onion right there. And I think some black sesame seed will do the trick. All right. Well, yes. Yes. Bye-bye.